Hello and welcome. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Jason, and today we're going to be unboxing the Nintendo Game & Watch Color screen with the Super Mario Bros. Game. It's pretty cool, this little package here. If you shift the box inside, you can see that there's an outer layer of graphic, which is pretty cool. So this particular one has some graphics all over the box, which is pretty cool. Shows you what games come on it: Super Mario Bros., Ball, the old game, Time, which is just the clock, and Super Mario Bros. The Lost Levels. This model is the SM-35. Nintendo official. Yeah, it's got that seal. So this thing's taped inside. So we're gonna open it. I've never opened this one before, so this should be interesting. And there's one on both sides. Forgive my dog in the background, so we're gonna open it up. And you can see here, there's like, what? There's a level on the back, and then on the front you can see the screen. Oh, and if you look up here, there's a number 35. 35 coins. This is the 35th anniversary edition. Basically, the Game & Watch has existed that long. Oh, I didn't even see that. There's the ball guy on the back. Oh, that's cool. Ball. Okay, so we're gonna open it up for the first time. Oh, there's something there too. One sec, we'll get it open. Special thanks to you. Neat. Pretty neat. So I'm assuming because there's a pull tab here, they don't expect you to open it from this side. So we'll go to open it here. A little neat little pull tab. Oh, okay. Nothing else inside the box. What's this? User guide. So this thing has a 525 mAh battery with apparently USB-C charging port. Take a break every 10 to 15 minutes. Not sure how long you charge it for. Comes with a really short cable. Looks to be like half a foot, maybe. Okay. Oh, here we go. Man, this thing is small. If this is tiny. Okay. Let's see how she goes. Got it. So small. That's it for that. Like, look at my hand. Jesus. Oh, there it is. Sorry for the camera nudging. That's my bad. Just gonna make sure everything feels right. Yeah, buttons all feel okay. So overall look, it's not quite the same plastic color they went with originally. I remember it when I was a kid, and it was a bit darker than this, and a bit more purpley, I guess you could say. Oh, in the side, that must be a speaker, it looks like. Oh, and I've touched the screen with my finger. Oh, well, it doesn't show up. Oh, here we go. And on the other side, there's a USB-C port and a power button. Okay. Super Mario Bros. Written on the front of it here. Yeah, I don't know. It feels pretty solid. The gold's on point. I'm just trying to flex it here. Yeah, it feels pretty solid. Plastic doesn't feel cheap either. Okay, let's turn it on. Holy crap. That, I didn't even expect that. That looks awesome. That is such good detail. Oh my god. I like this. Okay. What is going on here? Oh, you push the time button and it changes the levels. Game lets you pick a game. Sorry guys, I have a crappy camera. Pause set, volume, brightness. Oh, that helps. Okay. Hold time button maybe? No? AV at the same time? Oh, that did something. It makes it glow, but nothing. How do I change the time? What is this? Oh, there's a set time button. God damn it. Okay. I want to make sure we're on point here. Cool, so I don't know, it just makes it glow. Okay. Oh, there's a little battery icon. That's helpful. I guess we'll hop in game here and turn up the volume. Ha, 2-player. So you can play 2-player. Ooh. It's not quite like the NES controller because the buttons are a lot smaller on this thing. As you can see, my thumb nail is about both those buttons combined on the right here. Huzzah. Not bad. You can't save it obviously, so pause, reset game. No, okay, let's go to Mario 2. Mario. So what happens when you go back? It takes you back. That's pretty cool. Okay, so you can pretty much stop at any moment. I have never played ball. Oh, okay, I see here. You just have to catch him and get a high score. That's easy. Okay. And the last function, charging. So I got my trusty USB-C port. We'll see how this thing goes. Oh, and a little icon shows up saying that it's plugged in and it's charging. And I don't know how long this thing charges for, but yeah. Overall, yeah, it's a neat little thing. I hope they make another. Like, this thing's pretty cool. Shut it off. Oh, just one click. Amazing. What happens if I hold it? Shuts off. Turn it on. Neat. Alright. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.